In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Bank of America online banking password. To start, open your browser and go directly to the official Bank of America sign-in page. It's safest to type the URL yourself or use a trusted bookmark and look for the secure lock icon in the address bar before you enter any information. Once you're on the sign-in screen, find the link labeled Forgot ID Password. It usually sits just below the username and password fields. Click that to begin the recovery process. You'll be taken to a secure verification form. Here, you'll need to provide the details the bank uses to confirm your identity. That typically includes your full card or account number, your social security number or tax identification number, and your birth date. Enter each item carefully, exactly as it appears on your account. Take your time. A simple typo can cause a mismatch and slow you down. Make sure you're using a private, secure network and that no one can see your screen while you're entering sensitive information. After you submit your verification details, the bank will send a temporary security code to one of the delivery methods on file, usually a text message, a phone call, or an email. You'll see which options are available on your screen. Choose the one you can access right now. If the contact information shown is outdated, remember to update it later once you're back in your account so you can receive codes without delays in the future. Retrieve the code promptly, since these codes often expire after a short time, and enter it in the field provided to confirm it's really you. When your identity is confirmed, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Pick something strong and unique that you haven't used anywhere else. Aim for a longer passphrase with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid personal details like birthdays or common words. A reputable password manager can help you generate and store complex passwords so you don't have to memorize them. After you create and save your new password, you can return to the sign-in page and log in with your updated credentials. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment. Check your spam or junk folder if you chose email, and then use the resend option if necessary. Once you're back in, take a moment to review your recovery information and keep it up to date so future security codes reach you without issues. And as always, sign out when you're done, especially on shared devices.